So I just wanted y'all to see this. This is underneath my Durango. And you can see kind of how much snow has fallen and built up. I thought I was going to be able to get away with brushing the truck off without partially entombing it, but yeah, does not look like that's going to happen. And just so y'all kind of get an idea, yeah, this was all plowed last night. And we can see does not even look like it's been plowed. Got neighbor out the way with this over yonder with his snowplow. And I get to start brushing this monstrosity off. Ugh. So, this is how I do it. Push broom. Works actually amazingly well. Because I'm a short shit. I'm 5'5", and I prefer driving trucks over cars. But yeah, there you go. There's an accurate snowfall for you. This big bad beast right here is my other baby, but she is down for the moment. I gotta work on transmission seals with her. She is my true beast. All right. Yeah. Pretty efficient, but where this comes in the most handy is up here, because like I said, and I'll give you, there's my window. Like I said, I'm a short shit. But winter in Alaska. Okay. Not used to doing this one-handed. Now that's what I've gotten done in this short amount of time already. Not bad for a broken little push broom, huh? And generally a lot cheaper than those expensive car brooches, which I do have inside the truck. And granted, it's not as good as like getting into tight spaces like there by the rear view mirror or side mirrors, but it's good for getting the big spaces, and that's what matters in the end. Me and my tires. Come on. So for you car nuts. These are 30s, and they're TerraTrack Hercules. And thus far, I have had very few issues on the snow and ice in these. And no, these are not studded. I have the option for studs. They've got the holes already bored, which you may or may not be able to see. Let me see if I can find one. Yeah. Holes already bored. But I really don't like putting studs on my car. As long as your four-wheel drive works and you take your time, you really don't have any issues. And I live by the rule, four-wheel drive means four-wheel slide. So I do not go as hard in the paint during the winter time, if you know what I mean. This here 2000 Durango V8 Magnum, and it's the 5.9 liter. So, in other words, pass anything but a gas station. But this thing powers through snow like nobody's business. I have yet to get stuck this year. Even helped a couple of people get unstuck. So, for what it's worth, she's a beast. And I am going to take a break, because holy shit, moving snow one-handed is hard.